Hi everyone, it's Galbi. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cut whole chicken into pieces. So I'm gonna cut the leg first. You have to cut this part, slice it a little bit. You will feel the knuckle, bend it against the knuckle. It easily pop up and you cut it like this. Slice a little bit and find the knuckle, pop up against the knuckle and you'll be able to cut it. So I got two legs out. Then I'm going to cut the wings. Same thing, you find the knuckle, slice a little bit, feel the joint, then just cut through it. Should be easy to cut it. Same thing, slice a little bit and find the joint and then cut through it. So I got two legs, two wings out. I'm gonna cut out the breast. Slice in the middle and you'll be able to open like this. Slice against the bone. Then you'll be able to get the breast. Same thing on the other side. Find the bone and slice the breast against the bone. So we got two breasts out. Now what do you do with this? This will be perfect for your chicken stock for later. So I'm going to save this for my chicken stock. Now you got two breasts, two wings, two legs. We want this to be smaller. I'm going to separate in drumstick and the thigh. If you touch this part, you'll be able to feel the joint. Slice a little bit and then you'll be able to cut through it. Same thing. Feel the joint here and slice through. Then it should be easy to cut it. Divide the wings into two pieces. Feel the joint here and just slice them through. Feel the joint here, slice it through. So you got it. And breast should be easy to cut it because there is no bone. Divide them into three pieces. The reason I buy whole chicken and cut it by myself is it's not difficult to do it, and most importantly, you can save extra. Saving money is always good, right? I've cut the chickens into small pieces.